December 7th, 2016. And we just finished a L5 S1 Decompression Fusion with instrumentation. We got out of the OR about 2.5 hours ago. How you feeling?
Pretty good.
Where are you going now?
Go to eat.
Okay.
Drive through, starving.
And then after you eat, where are you gonna go?
Go watch some TV, sit on the recliner.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You're in the hospital now, or where are you?
In your medical center.
Surgery Center Viera.
Yeah,
Very good. So
surgery
you have
center.
outpatient surgery, you're heading home, but you're gonna stop at where? Chick-fil-A?
Nah, we'll think about it when we go through.
Yeah, what do you like to eat?
Maybe Burger King. Or
Burger
something,
King.
Yeah.
Do we have Burger King here?
Yep, right underneath
Yeah.
that.
All right.
Either that or McDonald's, whichever one we see first.
All right, well, you know, before you go home, you got to do something, right? We can't let you go home until you do a little dancing.
Yeah.
You gonna show us your moves?
Okay, let's see.
There we go. All right, 2.5 hours rolling out of the OR from a lumbar fusion. Beautiful. He's ready to go home.
All right.
Forget about the hospital.